All right, hi everybody. So I'm having this kind of experience and this thought, and I want to know if any of you have gone through something similar. So, if you know me, you know that I'm the type of person that if there's a situation and I need to assist or help, then I'm gonna jump in, and I jump in right in the middle and try to get as close to the situation as possible, because from my way of thinking, the closer I'm into the situation, then the more effective I will be, right? So the more effective I will be at causing some type of change in the situation. So if you are in crisis, if your relationship is in crisis, if your company is in crisis, if whatever is the situation, I'm not gonna jump right up in the middle, right? Egg me, not a red. But recently I've come to, start thinking about it and realize that in some instances, being that close to the situation is not actually the best thing I can do, because if I get sucked into the vortex, then I really cannot be as effective as I need to be. But when I started thinking about that and considering that as a way that I was going to approach offering whatever help I can offer, I started to feel like a cop-out, because I started to feel like I'm not taking the situation seriously. And if what is needed is some type of immediate response, which means you have to jump right in, and this thing of trying to stay on the outside and work, it's not going to happen. But recently I'm starting to realize that there are many different ways to help if you are a person that wants to offer assistance in any way in a situation, and sometimes closer is not safer. The other thing that I've come to recognize is that I'm an empath. And I don't know if any of you out there identify as empaths or even know what empaths are. So they are very empathetic people, which it means that they're so empathetic that they can actually share in your emotions. So if I come around you and you're having a bad day, if I'm not careful, we start have a bad day too. Like literally, like all of the feelings from you just like transfer over to me, poop, and then next thing you know, I just mash up. So being an empath, I have to be very careful about the types of energies that I encounter, because I'm going to absorb them if I don't do whatever I have to do to block them off. So if I come into a situation, it's a whole heap of confusion and contention and whatever, me literally go get catch up in the confusion and the contention, and then what help can I do? But it's hard, and for my people out there who are very big on supporting and helping and offering assistance, I really would like to hear from you about how you handle these types of situations where everything in you wants to jump in and be as close as possible. Not being as close as possible makes you feel as though you are not being as supportive as you could be. In a way, not becoming stressed out by the situation makes you feel as though you're not giving your best to the situation, because if you were giving your best, then you would be feeling everything that the people who are in it are feeling, meaning that you would be stressed out as well. But my people out there who are like into community building, nation building, working in social justice, talk to me about how it is that you all manage these types of things, especially when it pertains to your own mental health while you're trying to offer assistance. Okay, love, peace, chicken grease. Come see me at UE Research Days, Thursday and Friday at the UWJC booth. Bye.